Hi guys, today I've got this easy twisted half up half down hairstyle. To start, I'm just curling the hair using my straighteners, and I just do this in small sections, alternating the way I curl every time I take a new section. Next I'm going to divide off the crown area of the hair, and I'm going to add a little bit of volume powder to the roots. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Now, taking small slices of hair, I'm going to add a little bit of back combing close to the roots to give the style a little more height. You can skip this step if you don't like back combing. Once you've got everything back combed, flip it over, and then we're just going to smooth out the very top layer of hair with the tip of your comb. Grab the hair between two fingers and rotate them towards the head to create a small twist. Then slip a bobby pin through that twist to secure it to the head. Gently pinch and pull at the hair to create more volume and texture. Onto the side sections, I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear. And I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face at the front. So take that section and again just add a touch of back combing close to the roots. And then we're going to bring that section round to the back of the head, slightly to the left hand side, and then just pin into place. And we're going to repeat that on the left hand side, so leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face, add a touch of back comb to the roots, and then pull the rest of the hair around to the back, slightly to the right hand side, and secure with a bobby pin. Next we're going to take hold of the ponytail, and with our thumb pointing down, I'm going to grab the very top of it and then start twisting it towards the head whilst bringing it up. With the tail ends, I'm just going to wrap them up and over so they come round to the other side. Then just secure all the way around that little loop with as many bobby pins as needed. Use your fingers to pinch and pull at that loop to create more volume and texture. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.